Now remember, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And right now, I'm gonna share with you 5 steps on what you can do to get into flipping cars. The first tip that I have for you all is pick the type of car you wanna flip and learn it in and out. What this means is, for example, you wanna flip a specific model, a specific car. Learn it in and out, that specific car. Not because that's the only one you're gonna flip, but because if you see it, you instantly know if it's good price, if there's money to be made, and what kind of problems it'll have. What I did is I specialized in Infiniti G35s, Infiniti G37s, and BMW 335i's. I used to buy those and sell those so much because I personally love them. Instantly when I saw them, I knew what could be wrong and what had to be done. So what I'm giving you as a tip, find a car that you like, that you know real well, and try to keep on searching for those to flip. Number 2, research the value of the cars you're trying to flip. Now, you don't need a license for this. You just go online and search the car. For example, 2002 Honda Civic. Just type that in and search. See that the majority of them might be selling for $2,500 to $3,500. What does that mean? That means that you need to get it for $1,500 to $2,000 so you can have some margin to make some profit. Research the cars before you buy them and don't just assume that it's gonna make money. See the demand, see how much they're selling for, and see if they're selling quick. Tip number 3 is make it convenient for the sellers. What this means is tell them, I got cash. I'm showing up right now. I'm gonna buy it on the spot if I like it. Don't haggle, don't negotiate, don't call them on the phone and start throwing numbers. Let them feel good before they meet you, because if you try to negotiate beforehand, they're already gonna be pissed off and not really like you. Compliment the car, talk good about it, and then flip it. Once you show up, kind of be nitpicky and start showing things that you don't like, show things that might be problems, and then start trying to reduce the price. But in the beginning, be cool with the seller, make it convenient for them, and let them know you're coming that moment to pay cash and buy the car. You're not coming to just tire kick. Tip number 4 is make it convenient for the buyers. Like I said, number 3 was for the sellers, number 4 is for the buyers. When someone's coming to buy the car, vacuum it, clean it, top off all the fluids, change the tires if they need to. Do the things that you need to do that a normal person who thinks they might be big problems sees done already. An alignment, let them know that you did all the basics if your profit permits. Sometimes you don't even have to do that. I bought cars literally the same day I bought them. The next day I sold them doing absolutely nothing, made $2,000, $3,000, if not $4,000 profit. So you don't have to do that, but making the buyer see that it's so convenient and it's ready to go is a big selling point for many of the people who are buying cars. Tip number 5 is list it on all the platforms, everywhere. Craigslist, 5 Miles, OffersUp, Facebook, everywhere you could possibly think of, Car Gurus, wherever else you have to go, list it. And sometimes you might have to pay $20, $30, for example, cars.com and those places. You have to pay a fee, Auto Trader, but do it and then keep on renewing the listing. And when you post the listing, have nice pictures, detailed description, and don't try to hide anything from anybody. Be very blunt and make the things happen. List it online, and that's how you're gonna be smart with your sales. List it online and keep renewing it, and don't forget it after you post it. Stay on top of it. Bonus tip number 6 is be trustworthy, be honest, and don't be a crook. Don't try to make a couple bucks off of someone who's struggling, who likes the car, who you're hiding that there's a bad engine or a bad transmission. Be very clean because God's watching, and you don't want to do someone dirty, because making that extra $200, $300, even $1,000, even $1 million is never worth it. This is a bonus tip. I've actually got referrals from people who bought the cars that I flipped to them because they love the cars that I sold. Be honest with your business, and that's how you're gonna grow. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Comment below and go make some money flipping cars. I'm out. Peace.